markings on it. Ah, you wretched servants, are you trying to rebel against me? Seraphina, who would have thought the mighty divine empress would become our stepping stone? With most of your spiritual power sealed, today you die. You seize the spirit veins. The divine realm will never forgive you. Die. What the? Where am I? Is this a movie set? These costumes and props look incredible. Who are you? Let me think. A mysterious artifact. A flash of light then. A journey through worlds. No spiritual aura for protection. Just a mortal with no spirit root at all. A lowly mortal dares to interfere with me. Fireball. What the? A giant fireball. What kind of sorcery is that? Come